Posture. When we sit down to play Melee, each of us has our own way of sitting. When you feel as though you are playing your best, take a moment to identify your posture if you can. You may find that you think more clearly when your hands and body are positioned a certain way. Each of us is different, and no posture can be applied to all of us. Regardless of what someone tells you, you should choose to sit in the way that is comfortable for you. When you determine some sort of posture to use, you may think, is this the correct posture? But in asking this question, you are mistaken. To take the posture you think will help you is the correct posture. To take an action in Melee that you think will help you is the correct action. It does not matter if there are actions that would be better, just that you are actively doing something to help yourself. If at some point you determine that you are more suited to another posture or action, from that point on you may take them as you wish. You will continue to build yourself as long as you keep putting in this effort. It is important that you do not try to attain anything when you take some posture. You should not expect some measurable level of improvement in results by sitting a certain way. You should instead appreciate the state of mind that you have when you take your own posture. When you try to attain something, your mind starts to wander about somewhere else. When you are losing, you may think, I'm losing because I've chosen the wrong posture, and you will be worrying about something outside of the game. When you do not try to attain anything, you have your own body and mind right here. No matter the posture you pick, an important point is to own your own physical body. If you lose a stock in a way that you deem unfair, you may slump. If you slump, you will lose yourself. Your mind will be wandering about, occupying itself with some discrimination you have against your opponent or their character. We must exist right here, right now. This is the key point. You must have your own body and mind. If the controller you use exists somewhere else, it will not serve its purpose. So it is with your mind. When we have our own body and mind in order, everything else will exist in the right place, in the right way. But usually, without being aware of it, we try to change something other than ourselves. We may say, that should not have connected, or I definitely should have teched that. We try to order things outside us. When you do things in the right way, at the right time, everything else will be organized. So try always to keep the right posture, not only when you play Melee, but in your everyday life. Try to take the right posture when you are driving your car or when you are cooking. You will discover how important it is to keep the right posture. With this posture, there is no need to talk about what way of sitting is best. So long as you put in an honest amount of effort to improve yourself, you will improve.